Hello everyone, our lesson for today is Science. Week 13, Unit 6.2, Our Ears. So class, before we start, I want you to bring out the following: your science learner's book, science activity book, pencils and erasers, and also your notebook or paper. Objectives are the following. Identify the function of the ears. Recognize how we hear the sounds. And differentiate loud sounds from soft sounds. This is our references. Learner's book, pages 54 to 55. Activity book, page 27. How do we hear the sound? So hearing is one of our senses. It is the ability to receive sounds. We hear sounds with our ears. So hearing is a process by which ears transforms sound vibrations in external environment that are conveyed to the brain, where they are interpreted as sounds. So if you're going to look at the picture, the sound waves travel through our ear. Our ear transmit the signal through our brain, and our brain identify the sounds. So the sounds are coming from different sound source or sources of sounds, like animals, objects, and people. So first, look at this picture. What is the source of sounds? Correct. So the boy is listening music through the headphones or earphones, which means this picture shows that the source of sound or sound source are the earphones or the headphones. How about the second picture? What is the sound source or the source of the sound? Correct. It is the bell. So when the bell rings, our ears hear the sound. So in this case, the bell is the source of sound. Now let us differentiate loud sound from soft sounds. First, when we say loud sounds, it is a high volume of sounds. Loud sounds can cause damage in our ears. While on the other hand, soft or quiet sounds, soft sound is quiet and pleasant sound to listen to. It has low volume of sounds. Let's take a look at the examples. So for loud sounds, we have two examples. First, we have the ambulance siren. The second example is microphone. As we know, when we speak through microphone, it makes our voice very loud. While on the other hand, the soft or quiet sounds, we have the bird. When you hear the bird chirping, it is quiet or soft sounds. Also, the tick of the clock. When the hands of the clock moved, it makes soft or quiet sounds. Now look at your learner's book on page 55. Now, loud and soft sounds. So there are two pictures here. So the first one is Yume or Ume is covering her ears. Listen to a sound. Now, cover your ears with your hands. What can you hear this time? Have you stopped some of the sounds going into your ears? Doing this can stop loud sounds, damaging our ears. So if we try to cover our ears with our hand, we eliminate the loud sounds. While on the other hand, on the other picture, Tamo is listening to quiet sounds. Listen to a sound. Put your hands up to your ears, same as the picture. Does it change what you hear? Doing this help you to hear soft sounds. Okay, students, now let us see if you know how to differentiate loud sound and soft sound. So I will be showing you some pictures and you're going to tell me if that picture shows loud sound or soft sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is our first picture. What can you see? Yes, it's a bee. And bee usually buzz. They make sound. So what do you think? Is it loud sound or soft sound? Correct. The answer is soft sound. How about the second picture? What can you see? So this picture shows us speakers. So the speakers produce loud sound or soft sound? Answer is loud sound. Let's go to the next. This picture is showing a hand that is clicking on a pen. If you click a pen using your hand, what sound do you produce? Is it loud sound or soft sound? You are producing soft sound. And how about this picture? What can you see in our picture? Yes, the picture shows lightning and thunder. So what do you think? Is it loud sound or soft sound? The lightning and the thunder produce loud sounds. Now let's practice. Answer LS for loud sound and SS for soft sound. I will give you a minute to answer it. Okay, now let us see if your answers are correct. Okay, so the first one, okay, the water drops from the faucet or top, it makes a soft sound. When you make a whisper or when you whisper to someone, it also makes a soft sound. When you turn on the air condition, sometimes we hear the sound of the air coming out from the air condition. So it makes also a soft sound. While on the next picture, the drum, when you beat a drum, it makes loud sound. And the last picture, the megaphone or the microphone, when we speak through this device, we produce loud sounds. And that's the end of our lesson. Hope you enjoy and you learn something from this video. Kids, always remember to study at home and keep safe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!